Assalamualaikum. One day, Abhishan decided to build a new house. For that, he wanted wood and he got to cut the tree. For the
Anna, pizza cut mida. I provide shade and hostel for all the creatures in the forest.
yes, and I live in the branches. Where will I go? You figure, Kada. Abhishan realized that tree would harm his friends and the environment.
Assalamualaikum. Oh, sorry, I promise won't cut you down. I will find another way to build my house. Assalamualaikum.